Welcome back to yet another unboxing video, and today we are going to unbox this G-Shock here. It is a JDM model, as you can see from this type of packaging here. Just slip it out of the outer sleeve here and flip open this cover here. Alright, so this is a gold watch, and let me just quickly remove the plastic bag over here. Aha, okay, so this is the full metal version of the GA-2100. If I'm not wrong, this is known as GM-2100 by way of this full metal casing over here. This is one of the newer models. Let's have a look at the reference number over here. GM-B2100, and this is the full yellow gold version that comes on a black dial. Very beautiful looking CasiOak G-Shock here. Doesn't look or feel like your typical G-Shock because this is full metal casing, full metal bracelet, you know, not quite the typical resin plasticky strap kind of G-Shock. And now with all the packaging out of the way and with the lens zoom in just very slightly, let's have a closer look at this new GM-B2100. The B would stand for Bluetooth function, so I would say this is a really good mix of black dial and everything else is gold, right? Gold hands, gold outlines on the markers, bezel, case, bracelet, everything done in gold plating. Okay, very bling bling, alright, a high level of bling bling over here. Let me just remove the protective film here. I do have permission from Eric to remove the protective layers, okay, so he's been a great friend, and again I gotta thank Eric at our boutique for so generously loaning me all these watches for my video reviews. So he's been super encouraging and he always allows me to remove all these films and all that, but you know, I just want to do such things to a brand new watch. A close-up look of the GM-B2100. So I would say this is about the highest end of 2100 model at the moment. So I believe, you know, in the near future, Casio is definitely going to make a titanium version, alright, or even the MRG version. Okay, I'm pretty confident these things will be out in the near future. This one here was launched sometime in 2021 or 2022. Very new model because, you know, finally we get the full metal 2100, and I guess many fans were waiting and calling for this watch to be released. It is full gold plating, but it doesn't look overly shiny or gaudy. And I think it's due to this brush finishing here on the bezel. It is not high polish. Even the case sides here, they are high polish, but they are not overly mirror-like. Very, very attractive. So let's have a look at the zoom out fake reshot of the GM-2100. Alright, so this one here wears very well actually. Despite being a 45mm case size, I think it fits very well because there isn't much lug gap or lug overhang. So it doesn't feel too top heavy or cumbersome despite this one being a full metal bracelet model. Alright, I think the weight here is around 150 grams with the bracelet unsized, full links available. Alright, so for my wrist size, I think I need to remove 5 to 6 links, and that would probably bring down the weight quite a bit to around 140 grams or so. I think still very manageable for a watch of this size. And here's a really quick comparison between the GM-B2100 versus my own GA-2100. So this is more or less the stock bare bones 2100 CasiOak, okay? I forgot to mention, right, these watches, they are known as CasiOak. How could I? Okay, so the CasiOaks are just runaway success in the world of G-Shocks. I think in terms of looks, they are identical, but when you wear these two watches, they give you very different feeling, right? Totally different watches. This one here is a typical G-Shock, very lightweight, what, 50, 60 grams I think? But over here, this is the real deal. You don't feel like you're wearing a G-Shock, okay? But both fantastic watches. The GA-2100 CasiOak, I think they're just great models, good daily wearers as well. So stay tuned for the full review of the GM-2100 Bluetooth JDM model here. This is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.